Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this new episode I made new work on my boat, especially for the engine. First of all, I produced a new linkage piece for the steering mechanism. It's basically a strong piece of steel. Then I worked out a hole in the engine for electrical connections. That's because I will create a new system with electrical start, and cable will pass through this hole and through this sealing nipple. I then set up all the parts for the electrical conversion. The first piece to come off is the flywheel. That's because the old one doesn't have an external gear to which the starting engine connects to. So I placed in the new one and fixed it in place with my air gun. Then came the starting engine with its support. At this point, I make a first test to make sure everything was working good. Now came the current regulator. This is controlling the charging of the battery. And also the start relay. And with this done, the conversion is almost completed. I then took apart the lower unit. The engine wasn't pissing cooling water, so I proceeded to replace the water propeller. It doesn't show up in this video, but you need to apply a good amount of engine grease to every part for a good sailing. After connecting back the lower unit and gear selector, I decided to realize a waterproof command box for starting and stopping the engine. So I drilled 2 holes for the buttons in a sealed electrical box and made proper electrical connection. For a cleaner connection, I've also put crimped connector to the 2 main power cables from the engine, and I protected them with a cut-resistant nylon sleeving. I then took a fresh new battery and hooked it up to power wires and also connected the new control box to the engine. Controls were working really good, but something wasn't good with the cooling. The check hose wasn't pissing enough water, so I decided to take apart again the lower unit and directly connect the water hose to the cooling circuit. The flow seemed to be very good and totally unclogged. But at this moment it was too late to make another test start. A new try and hopefully a C test has to come in my next video. Thanks for joining me, subscribe and see you very soon.